Sandra Ivy Rose here. Welcome to my channel. Alright guys, I'm so excited to share this video with you this week. And we're going to get started by using these paint sticks that I got from Home Depot. And they run about 97 cents when I bought them at the time, but I'm not sure what they are now. And what we're going to be doing, we're going to be flipping them over just to alternate where they have the little ridges. And the side up is going to be the ruler side. And we're going to use about 11 to create the palette that we need, as you will see in the video. So we're going to be securing the frame by using a couple of those paint sticks, and we're going to position it so that the frame is well secured. I'm using hot glue, but of course you can use wood glue to give it a more firm and permanent hold. Hey lovelies, I hope that you're having a lovely day. I'm just checking in on you guys to see how you guys doing, and just to make sure that you're keeping yourself safe and healthy out there. And if it's your first time here checking out my channel, well, welcome to my channel. So excited to have you here today. If you are into high-end DIY projects on a budget, please be sure to subscribe to my channel. I love to have you here. And turn on your bell notification so you don't miss any of my videos. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up and share with your family and friends. And of course, my returning subscribers, thank you so very much for watching my videos. I really, really, really do appreciate your support. Next, we're going to be taking this glitter contact paper and we're going to apply it to our panel. And I'll have it linked down in my description box if you're interested on purchasing it. I got it from Amazon. Hey guys, please be sure to enter the 1,000 subscriber giveaway. The information is in the description box below. Please check it out. And in addition to that, you must email me the secret code word for the video. And the secret code word is mirror. Please be sure to email me and follow the rules in the description box below to enter the 1,000 subscriber giveaway. Good luck to you all, and thank you so very much. So after using the tape to secure the sides down, we're going to be using this beautiful silver ribbon to line the perimeter of our palette. Next, we're going to be using some Dollar Tree plates. I think these are so beautiful. And we're going to be using glue to place it in the middle. In this video, I'm using hot glue, but I would recommend you use like E6000 to give it a more permanent hold. And also, we're going to be using those Dollar Tree mirrors. And we're going to place also in the middle of the tray. I also recommend E6000 instead of the hot glue. And the little small mirrors that you see here, I got those from Hobby Lobby. Nope, Michael's. And we're going to place them and to create our design on the palette. Be sure to take off those little stickies. It'll just, the mirror will just glue better down if those are removed from the mirror. And now I'm placing these extra paint stick on the back to help support when we hang it on the wall. And to hang it on the wall, I'm just using some thumbtack to hang it up. All right, guys, we are all done. I think it came out so beautiful, guys. You can hang it anywhere in your home on the walls. Well, let me know what you guys think, and where would you hang it in your home. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. I look forward to making more videos for you guys, and please do continue to keep my family in prayers, as we definitely need it right now. And thank you so very much for watching this video. And don't forget, if you haven't subscribed yet to my channels, please do. Give me a thumbs up, like, comment, and share with your friends.